Let's start by clearing up some common myths about cameras. There are many options when it comes to cameras on the market, but not all cameras are created equal. This can make choosing the right one for you and your family confusing. To get a better picture, let's set up a simple quality spectrum. On the far left is the low end of the video quality, which is 720p. On the far right is the high end, which is 8 megapixels, also known as 4K. In between, you go from 1080p to 2 megapixel, 3 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and finally 8 megapixel. Lower end cameras, such as 720p and 1080p, produce poor video quality, including poor night vision and reduced visual distance, usually 10 meters or less. This makes it difficult to identify possible suspects or recognize faces, which can be frustrating when you're trying to protect your family. Another important factor besides quality is how the cameras record. There are two main methods. The first is clip-based cloud recording. This is used by companies like alarmtek.ca, which powers TELUS Security, Bell Security, and most other alarm companies. It's also the method used by Amazon Ring and Google Nest. In theory, clip recording cloud-based cameras sound great. Here's how they're supposed to work. Every 15 seconds of recording is saved as a video clip. The clip is then uploaded from your camera through your internet modem to the cloud. This triggers a notification on your phone and allows you to view the past recordings or check the live feed. As we found out at alarmtek, these systems have significant reliability issues. We used to sell cloud-based cameras and had been blasted online because of the way they don't work. Our engineers spent a lot of time identifying the cause of these problems and how to fix them. Let me explain. Since these cameras store video in the cloud, most services place a limit on how many clips you can save each month. Once you reach that limit, you either have to buy more storage or the camera stops recording until your billing cycle resets. Secondly, they are Wi-Fi based and use your internet connection to upload your video to the cloud. This slowed down many customers' home or business Wi-Fi due to heavy video usage. Next, Wi-Fi is spotty even on the best of days, which really affects cloud-based cameras. We found that cameras would go on and offline constantly, making it so you could not reliably connect to your cameras when you needed them. Cloud-based cameras are limited to lower quality, such as 720p or 1080p, because the video has to be uploaded, and smaller file sizes are critical for that process. Another issue comes up when the video is uploaded to the cloud. Even a brief internet interruption can cause the clip to be lost, especially since cloud servers may be located thousands of kilometers away. Our engineers found that anywhere from 1 in 3 to as many as 2 in 3 clips were missing. We often heard from customers who were frustrated when their cameras failed to capture important moments, such as someone coming onto their property. So, alarmtek took action, investing significant time and money to create our own patent-pending camera platform that solves these frustrating problems for our family of customers. How did we fix it? Number 1, all of alarmtek's video cameras are now continuous 24/7 recording. No more annoying video gaps. Number 2, our video quality is unmatched by any cloud-based camera, giving you more choice in how you want to protect your family. Our base model camera starts at 2 megapixels and goes up to true 4K 8 megapixel. You get to choose. At our website alarmtek.ca/products, you will be able to see individual videos on our new fantastic video camera lineup, including our best-in-class dual-lens video doorbell. All of our cameras have lightning-fast notifications and basic AI for detecting humans, automobiles, and animals. Many models also include advanced AI features such as facial recognition, asset management, trip line detection, and active audio deterrence, plus real-time monitoring that can stop crime as it happens. All of these cameras will also be compatible with our exciting patent-pending security bot AI that is coming very soon. alarmtek's cameras have incredible, crystal-clear night vision. You can see more than 30 meters, or over 90 feet, in the dark. They also include options for full-color night vision, two-way audio, and much more. Our customers love our new camera lineup. Reach out today to start designing a safer, smarter video system for your home or business with alarmtek.